Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You ready for your sneak peek video for this week's fire sale? Well, here you go. All right, we're gonna go right to it. Number one is, of course, the puzzle vase. You saw that yesterday, us unbox it live. And then, of course, we have the dove ornaments. You get 2 dove ornaments for $10. Sorry, the puzzle vase was $10 as well. Then we have the awesome Philippians 413 kind of tabletop decoration. I love this. $10. If I didn't already have too much in my house, I'd keep it. Number 4 is L'Oreal Makeup Extender Spray. We have 3 of them available. You get 2 bottles per each set, $10 for 2 bottles. Number 5 is sofa pillow covers. They're actually rather large square sofa pillow covers, $10. They are 24 inches by 24 inches. Number 6 is a 5x7 kind of open picture frame, white, for $5. Oh, that was number 6, sorry. Number 7 is a 5 set of the dollar bill foldable wallets for $10. Number 8 is the Givenchy Amarage perfume set for $40. We have 2 available. Number 9 is the music quiz game. We have 2 available. Number 10 is the Nicole Miller nail polish set for $5. We have 6 available. Number 11 is the red craft lot for $20. Number 12 is the set of copper chef pans for $25. Number 13 is the first aid kits for $25. There are 2 available, and they are fully stocked. Number 14 is the Value Homes set of 2 rugs, blue and white checkered pattern, 2 different sizes in the set, $20. Number 5 is the unicorn jewelry dish for $5. Number 6 is the music box. Number 16 is the music box for $10. Number 17 is the Crusader helmet. It actually is a real helmet. It's oiled and everything, silver in color. You probably saw us unbox that today. It's pretty sweet. So that is $40 for that. It is actually life size. I put it on my head. Number 18 is a hunter set. So you get these drapes, and then you also get this antler toilet paper roll. So $30 for both of those together. Number 19 are these sets of Clinique facial skincare sets, $10 a piece, and we have 6 available. Number 20 is the cute little mason jars for $10. Number 21 is a black diaper bag for $20. Has a bunch of fun pockets and accessories. It's a backpack style, $20. We have 2 available. Number 22 is this awesome boxing bots. This is originally $105 online. We're selling them for $60. Some of these boxes need a little TLC, but everything is working perfectly inside. $60, and we have 6 available. Number 23 is one of our Draper originals from our artisan. It actually lights up on the inside, and it is a fully functional working lamp. This is $150 for number 23, and it is an original made by my artisan. Number 24 is the flower wall sets. $15 is how much they cost. There are 3 available, and there's a white, yellow, and red metal flower. Number 25 is these cool, another Draper artist. It's not a Draper original. He can reduplicate some of these. This is a Compass Paris sign set, and the reason why it is called a Paris sign set is it has the Paris streets in the background of the picture. So we're going to sell both of these, or 2 of them available, both of them as a set for $30.
Can you put that back for me?
Yes. Number 26 are the drum sets. They're kid-sized drum sets for $20. Number 27 is the Listerine bottles. They are, I think, expired, but we're selling these for $5 a piece, and there are 6 available. Number 28 is the purple love seat cover for $20. Number 29 is the Teacher's Pet Apple Gourd, also made by my local artisan. $35. Has a cool yellow bird this time. Last time I think it had a cardinal. Number 30 is the Velvet Furniture Protector for $15. Number 31 is the Fleece Pillowcases set. You get all 3 of these pillowcases sets for $30. Number 32 is the Birdhouse Gourd. We have a skinny one, and a fat one. So you will get to pick which one when you buy. I'll make that distinction tomorrow. Number 33 is a Pirate Kids umbrella for $10. Oh, the gourds, sorry, are $20. I don't think I said that. Number 34 is a black towel set for $15. Number 35 is a 10-pound weighted blanket inside this box. It's a nice gray color. It is a 10-pound weighted blanket. $20. Number 36 is a set of blue grommeted curtain panels for $20. Then over here, we have these awesome metal trays with compartments in them, $10 for number 37. Number 38 is a teal and white extra large swimsuit for $20. Number 39 is a purple and black large swimsuit for $15. Number 40 is an orange and teal large swimsuit for $15. Number 41 is a peach and black extra large swimsuit for $20. Number 42 is a set of 4 small size Purell brand hand sanitizer bottles for $20 for all 4 of them, and we have 3 available. 3, is that right? Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. Number 43 is the Baby Brezza. You may have remembered this from last week, but our buyer backed out on us, so Baby Brezza for $50. Number 44 is a white and black swimsuit, size large, for $10. Number 45 is a white one-piece extra large swimsuit for $20. Number 46 is a peach and black size large swimsuit for $15. Number 47 is the Hannah Marie Butterfly Perfume Box. There are 4 available for $10. Number 48 is the Essential Oil Sets that comes with 6 different scents, kinds of essential oils, and there are 6 available, $15 per box. Number 49 is you get 4 of these cedar domino boards for $25, and there are 2 sets available. Number 50 is a polka dot swimsuit, size extra large, for $15. Number 51 is a pink swimsuit, size large, for $15. Number 52 is a green swimsuit, extra large, for $15. Number 53 is the Elizabeth Taylor White Diamond Perfume gift set for $25. We have 4 of them available. You're getting one open. Here, let me open it for you. Hold on.
Joys of one arm.
Oh, it is kind of hard to get open. There you go. That's what you get for $25, the White Diamond Elizabeth Taylor perfume set. Then, of course, number 54, we have to sell more of these just because they're fun. Tequila Gold Men's Cologne for $45. I have these on Hooked on Pickin for a higher price, but only on the fire sale can you get them for this price. And we have 4 available. Number 55 is this DECOR Plus Diaper Pail. Number 56 is the Christmas kind of poinsettia decoration.
Door hanger.
It's a door hanger, yes it is. And so it looks like a poinsettia coming out of a pot. So number 57 is these awesome Milwaukee bags. They're actually utility storage electrical protection bags. They have a hard case bottom and they're really expensive, but we're discounting them dramatically and selling them only for $100. We have 2 of them available. We do have more of these available if they do sell out on the fire sale. Number 58, we're selling these Icy Hots lidocaine roll-ons, 2 boxes per pack, and so $10 a piece, and we have 6 of them available. So number 59 is the Vapo Steam. You get 2 per pack for $10, and it goes into a vaporizer to help kind of open up the airways. Cough suppressant, yes. Number 60 is the Samantha Brown Red Travel Bag, and you saw that that's really sharp looking for $40. Number 61 is a gray diaper bag, backpack style, 2 of them available for $20. Number 62 is an entire box of Depends, 28 and 28, 56 actual Depends, size medium, for $25. Number 63 is the Pink Leaf Kids Nail Set for $5. We have 9 available. Number 64 is this awesome white area vessel sink. We're going to sell it for $35. Number 65, we got these Jason costume masks. Comes with a little, I think, sword and a mask for $10, and we have 7 available. Number 66 is a computer shelf for $10. Number 67 is these sanitizing wipes with aloe in them. So there actually can be hand sanitizing wipes. 5 of them available for $10 a piece. Then we're going to come over to this table. Remember our mermaid fins? These are awesome. So we have the adult size large for $30, 2 of them available. The adult extra small, 2 of them available for $20. The youth size 12, 2 of them available for $20. Youth size 8 for $20, 2 available. Youth size 6 for $20, 2 available. And this kind of gives you an idea, what size would you wear? So you can kind of check that out. Do you wear the adults? Do you wear the youth? So that way you can kind of check, measure yourself, figure out what size you would actually wear. But all of them are $20 except for the youth adult large. And we did price compare online, so that's why it's a different price. Number 73, we have our Ninja Throwing Stars set for $10 a box, and we have 6 of those available. You get all 4 of those, and it comes even with a little kind of vinyl holder for them. Then number 74 are these sleeping bags right here, and they are blue and gray inside a black bag. They come with a gray little kind of pillow, and it's a mummy style sleeping bag. It is adult size, but they're really, really sharp looking sleeping bags for $20. We have 4 available. And then number 75 is the baby milestone blankets for $10, and we have 4 of them available. So we have 4 of them available, and we're gonna kind of turn around here. All right, so hopefully...
Oh, hi everybody.
Oh, sorry about that. Did I?
You did.
Sorry, you guys wanted to see Paul on this sneak peek video.
Looking puzzled.
What happened?
Why is my face there?
Anyway, so hopefully you guys find something good on this fire sale. We will see you tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time for the fire sale every Friday, and hopefully you find some fun stuff. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.